the Commonwealth Games preparation has been making headlines for the wrong reasons since the very beginning. But now with the blame games and the controversies continuing with less than a year left for the games, here Shekhar Gupta getting up close and personal with organising committee chairman Suresh Kalmani in NDTV's Walk the Talk.
Has he been less than effective or has he been a hindrance?
He's been a great hindrance. He's been having verbal duels with almost all my staff. And so we are not asking him to, we are not starting
Tell me a bit more about how he has been a hindrance.
He's been a hindrance because he's been shouting at most of our staff. And he threw keys at one of our staff and it blew up, the whole situation blew up. And we have not got any advice from him. Actually, we have not had a game for 75.
Maybe that was a hint to you. Suresh Kalmani throw the keys away and disappear. No?
No. But anyway, so we have taken up the matter with Mike Fennell. Mike Fennell has written me a letter just now that we'll discuss this issue when we meet in London on the 28th.
Because you even complain about him whistling in the office. I mean, if you apply that yardstick, I'll get fired on day one wherever I work.
No, we are not that small people. We love everybody to whistle, no problem.
But you have complained about him whistling.
No. We have only complained when he threw the keys at one of my staff.
That here is a country which has postponed its national games 5 times. You know, which can barely hold a national games, which should be once in 2 years. We hold one in 5 years. So just how the hell do we hold?
Shekhar, you're very wrong. Let me tell you that we have held the national games in Pune, we've held the national games in Bangalore.
Oh, what's happening now?
One minute, let me complete it. Held in Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Guwahati, Manipur, Chandigarh, and we have our average of all the games is once in 2 years. We have not, you see...
Not since 2002.
I'm telling you, last 10 years we have had a games in every 2 years or less than 2 years. You can check up the record.
So why this 5th postponement now?
Now because of the elections. The elections came up so...
Before the elections there were 4 other excuses. After the elections there were 6 excuses.
See one thing. Some are planned delays. Let me tell you one thing. Some are planned. We put the pressure on so the infrastructure can come up. But if you see the average, we have had in national games every 2 years.
No, but Suresh, it doesn't look right for a country which is holding Commonwealth Games, which wants to hold the Olympics 2020. You were right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're going to make a bid.
Yeah.
It weakens your case when you say I'm not even holding my national games regularly.
I'm telling you, we have held it regularly. I will send you the facts tomorrow.
When we had facts.
No. Every 2 years, average.
When one national games are postponed 5 times.
But it's 5 times.
That fact is incontrovertible, no?
No, but if you have elections right in the middle, what can you do about it? You see, and there's security problems. We can't.
No, but those are the problems that will bedevil your case because you can't go to the world and say I have security problems.
No,
I have frequent elections.
That's why I said elections there. But I'm saying the average is once in 2 years we have held the national game.
Tuba.com